Hello and welcome to the Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville 870XL espresso machine, and you can see we replaced the old O-ring. It was really in bad shape. It was leaking. Then we also replaced the solenoid valve assembly. You can see where it was leaking all over the place, actually here and here. It's rusted. Yeah, it was bad. So now we got a new one in there. Let's go ahead and make a shot. See, we get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. We'll test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.